Hi everyone, in this video guide I'm gonna show you how to find transaction ID in the ByBit application on your phone. So first of all, let me find ByBit application on my phone. And once you're here on the home page after login into your account, you can tap on Assets section at the top, at the bottom right corner. And once you're here, you can tap on finding account, and here is just tap on search field and typing name of your token. In my case, it's USDT. Tap on that, and once you're here, you can tap on icon at the top right corner, and here's you can see asset history. I wanna just tap on Express and choose here deposit. And as you can see, here is deposit on my account, and I can tap on that. And here is deposit address and transaction hash. And they can just click on this icon, and this will be able to copy. And also you can view in Blockchain Explorer. Just tap on this button. So let me change it on the video, and as you can see, I have this one, and that's it. I hope it helps. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up, and also you can watch this new video or this playlist about ByBit application. See you next time.